My packed one has finally arrived. I was so pleased with the shipping process. I got the email that my packed one was shipped on the 12th of June, and now it's the 15th of June here in New Zealand. It has finally arrived. That was so quick and so efficient, really. And without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So while I'm unboxing this, I just wanted to show you that UPS was the carrier for my packed one, and that was really easy to open. They did promise us that the packaging would be minimal and environmentally friendly, and so far so good. Look at that wrapping. Has some nice print on it. Here it is. So my packed one is wrapped in nice brown paper with luggage prints on it, prints of the bag. Now, I don't want to destroy it because I think that's really thoughtful, so I'm just going to remove it slowly. Ta-da! Here it is. My Navy Pakt One. It's just as large as a weekend duffel bag. So as promised, they said that they don't want to put any brand logos on the outside. This is the front zipper. And inside the front zipper, there is one more zipper. This is the RFID passport pocket. And the inside is yellow, orange, yellow. And at the back, there's a non-zippered compartment where you can put stuff that's not too important here. On the flip side, there are two pockets. They are zippered, where you can put toiletries and other things. And the underside of the bag have these 4 gold buttons on them. On the top, you have double zippers. So the Navy Pakt bag said that it would come with a gold zipper. I think this is the only packed bag that has gold colored zippers on them. The gray and the blue, the gray and the black have gray or black zippers, I think. So one of the zippers doesn't go all the way down. You have a laundry bag here. I think that's really handy. And this is the shoulder strap in case you want to switch the hand straps to the shoulder straps. Gold plated and navy on the top to coordinate with the rest of the back. So I'm gonna show you what it's like inside this first compartment. There's another zipper here. That's really spacious. I think this is about 10 inches wide. And on the other side, you have a net with some more pockets behind it. It doesn't open from here. Apparently, it opens from the other side. So I think this first compartment is about 4 inches wide inside. Anyway, the dimensions are posted on the website. But I can see that I can easily fit this travel capsule into one of the compartments. So opening the second compartment, so the second compartment looks like this. It's nice and soft on this side, nice and velvety soft. And there is another zippered compartment here on the other side. So there's heaps and heaps of zippered compartments. And it's just about the same size as the compartment on the other side. So scrap that. The 2 zippers do not open all the way down. There is a main zipper in the middle that makes the bag open in half. So we'll see what that looks like from the middle. Ta-da! So that's the Pakt logo, and I think this is the laptop compartment. It zips smoothly and easily. It's really good quality zipper. So this is the part of the bag that divides the 2 compartments, and this is where your laptop can go. Here we are. It's padded, so it's good for electronic devices. And the other side, the one that I couldn't open from the other side, is a separator. I think this is where they would put their dirty clothes, so it can be nice and separated. And that was the zipper compartment from earlier on. So that's basically the whole bag. Nice and simple. I can say that my blouses and 2 pairs of leggings would fit this travel capsule. And if you compare that with the size of the bag inside, I can easily put 1 of each travel capsule of this size on either side. So that's more than enough for a week's trip for me. And I can put this in as well. It's hard to show you with the way my smartphone is set up, but if you have a look at the bag, with all the zippers and pockets that I showed you earlier, it'll be very easy to squeeze in. And approximately the width of the bag is about, I don't know, 9 inches. And 1 travel capsule is about 4 inches. So that's heaps of clothes and a really thin laptop. And we have a note here saying, did you notice your bag didn't use any plastic packaging? Pakt and Sea Hive teamed up to develop packaging that is much safer for our environment. So plastic-free packaging, I think that's really good. And in fact, in most of the packages I receive, I think the plastic isn't even necessary. And there's a little booklet here with the Pakt One brand on it by Malcolm and the Minimalists. It says here, keep travel simple. So let's see what's inside the booklet. Whether it's a weekend, a month, or a year-long adventure, the Pakt One is the only bag you'll need. A note from the team. TSA pocket. That's the knitted bag that I showed you earlier on. And I didn't notice it earlier, but there are accessory loops. I'll just have to do some exploring once I get more familiar with the bag. And that was the laptop sleeve we talked about earlier. 1% for the planet. So it says here, we are a proud member of the 1% for the Planet organization. As members, we pledge to donate 1% of all profits of the Pakt One to environmental causes this year. That's really nice. Okay, just some carrying instructions for the Pakt One. And it says something about a travel journal. Just as our entire team has documented our journey with the Pakt One, we invite you to document yours. We've included some blank pages to be used as a travel journal. I think that's very cute. Whether that be sketching, writing, or capturing a poem. Use the journal however suits you and share your process with us on social at Packed Bags. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my Pakt One unboxing video. This is the Navy Pakt One, and I will show you some more videos of it in the future if you wish, if you want me to see them in action, and I will post further videos on what I think about it. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!